Now that we have explored Excel modeling features, let us focus on Boardwalktech features that augment them. In this slide we will examine how the access control works with Boardwalk. There is cuboid that holds the data that is being accessed by different sets of users. In our example, we have Maker A and Maker B who are both working on the same sets of columns, however the data that they have access to is different, that is, their row access criteria are different. Thus, their work slices are governed by the row access configuration. Maker A and Maker B make changes to their work slices and submit it to the same data cuboid in Boardwalk. The data is encrypted and transmitted securely from user machines to the central database. The user, checker, has access to data for Maker A and Maker B, that is the work slice for checker includes work slices of Maker A and Maker B. Checker also has additional columns that they can add their insights to, based on the data that they see. After making these changes they submit the data to the Boardwalk database. The user, approver, has access to all the data that has been submitted to the Boardwalk database. They see Maker A and Maker B data along with the checker's insights. They may have additional columns where they can document their comments and provide their approvals and submit the data back to the Boardwalk database. In this scenario, Maker A has not only been restricted by row access but also limited by column access, i.e., Maker A does not see all the rows and all the columns. Same applies to Maker B, who can see only their own data and is limited to being able to see only a limited set of columns. Checker has access to all the rows and columns, however, their access may be restricted to view only for the data set that Maker A and Maker B have worked on. The only changes they can make is to columns that they provide their insights in. Depending on the workflow, they may or may not be able to see the columns that approver may write in but would be read-only for them. The platform has automatically consolidated the data for Maker A and Maker B for the checker to see. Approver sees all Maker A, Maker B and checker's data, and that data is read-only for them. The only columns they have write access would be the ones they provide their comments and approvals in. Each of the roles can have their own workbooks that interact with the same data set. Hence, the Boardwalk platform is providing role-based access to the data for Maker A and Maker B. The platform automatically consolidates Maker A's and Maker B's data for checker to see. Similarly, Maker A's, Maker B's and checker's data is consolidated for approvers to access. This eliminates the need to email spreadsheets and secures the data in a database for sharing. Since there are no spreadsheets being emailed, chances of spreadsheets of accidentally reaching non-intended users are eliminated. Boardwalk can integrate with enterprise entitlements to provide the rights and permissions granted to users or entities within an organization, specifying what actions they are allowed to perform and what resources they can access.